Could Bitcoin be gearing up for its most significant bull run yet?
In this video, we sift through insights from experts like George Tung and Ivan on tech on why now is the time to pay attention.
The best part? We'll summarize key market movements in just minutes.
Exactly. Hear predictions of Bitcoin nearing $100,000 and learn how it impacts altcoins.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we decode complex crypto trends into easily digestible information.
Stick around till the end, where we touch on Ethereum's potential for recovery.
And don't forget, this content is for educational purposes, not investment advice. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of ISO 2002 and how it's set to transform the financial landscape as we know it.
Indeed, ISO 2002 is more than just a buzzword. It's about to change how money moves globally.
So what exactly is the core idea behind ISO 2002?
Essentially, it's a messaging standard that will enhance how banks communicate, making transfers faster and more secure.
And what does this mean for the traditional SWIFT network?
SWIFT might soon need a serious upgrade or risk becoming obsolete.
Now, what role does SWIFT play in this equation?
SWIFT is crucial. It handles cross-border transactions worth trillions, connecting over 11,000 banks.
And how is this affecting countries like Russia?
Being severed from SWIFT cuts off their access to the global economy, hitting their oil and gas revenues hard.
This standard sounds like it could really streamline operations.
Exactly. Banks will soon automate many processes dependent on messaging.
What about CBDCs? Are they part of the discussion?
Definitely. ISO 2002 will serve as a backbone for new digital currencies.
Let's talk crypto. Who stands to win here?
XRP is a clear frontrunner with existing partnerships in traditional finance.
What might the future hold for SWIFT with ISO 2002 coming in?
They'll either adapt or face serious competition from newer networks.
How will crypto respond to these changes?
If compliant, cryptocurrencies are set to thrive in this new infrastructure.
What's the takeaway for our viewers moving forward?
Be proactive. Adaptation to this shift is essential for survival in modern finance.
Today, we dive into Bitcoin's remarkable rise as George Tung shares his vibrant outlook. It's not every day that we see such explosive growth, folks.
Absolutely, and last night we saw Bitcoin soar past $71,000, showcasing a definitive bullish trend.
What's the core thesis from George's latest insights?
The crux is that Bitcoin is poised for uncharted territory, potentially hitting new all-time highs before this month wraps up.
Very bold. What indicators are steering this assessment?
Numerous influential factors like substantial institutional inflows and anticipation around upcoming events sculpt this bullish narrative.
Let's analyze the market mechanics post-Bitcoin's significant rise.
Sustaining above $71,000 is quite the testament to bullish resilience indeed.
What are the upcoming expectations George mentioned regarding price levels?
He speculates Bitcoin could breach $73,000 imminently, further pursuing the upward trajectory.
How do economic events play into Bitcoin's dynamic?
FOMC meetings and election outcomes could sway market sentiment, feeding into Bitcoin's momentum.
What does George foresee for Bitcoin in the coming months?
He predicts that Bitcoin might hit around $100,000 by December, an ambitious yet intriguing target.
What's driving this bullish sentiment on a larger scale?
Major institutional inflows signal an engaging trend, enhancing market stability and potential price escalations.
So, what should viewers glean from this vibrant market discussion?
That a bullish Bitcoin landscape is emerging. Staying alert to market shifts will be essential for savvy investors.
Absolutely. The landscape shifts rapidly, but staying engaged is key to navigating those waves. We're diving into the thrilling possibility that the biggest crypto run has just begun. Are you ready to explore this?
Absolutely. After months of downtrend, all eyes are on Bitcoin's potential to break past $100,000.
So what's the core of this thesis? Why are we so bullish about Bitcoin right now?
7 compelling data points show we're breaking a major trend, hinting a significant upward movement is imminent.
And those data points, what exactly do they reveal?
They provide historical context, technical patterns, and current market dynamics that align perfectly for this potential surge.
Let's look at the historical context. October is often a good month for Bitcoin, isn't it?
Indeed, it's seen an average rise of around 22%. With 2 days left, This sets a strong precedent.
What's this golden cross everyone's talking about?
It's a bullish indicator. In the past, it precedes substantial price movements upwards.
So Bitcoin's dominance is expected to drop. Is that when the altcoin season kicks off?
Exactly. Once that happens, we could see a dramatic shift in altcoin valuations.
What are the price predictions moving forward?
The expectation is Bitcoin reaching around $110,000, with historical patterns strongly suggesting this trajectory.
And what about altcoins? When should we expect their resurgence?
With Bitcoin breaking all-time highs, altcoins are poised for a powerful return as money flows shift.
What's the final takeaway for investors watching this rally?
Prepare for rapid change and opportunity. This could be a pivotal moment in crypto investing.
Today, we're diving into the exciting trajectory of Bitcoin as it appears to be gearing up for a major breakout.
Indeed, Ivan believes this is only the beginning for Bitcoin's price action after a relentless climb this month.
What's at the heart of Ivan's thesis here?
He suggests that we're testing crucial resistance levels that, if broken, could lead to a price surge towards $100,000.
That's a significant move. What factors are contributing to this bullish outlook?
Key indicators like increased institutional investment and adoption rates globally play a vital role.
Investor sentiment is soaring. How does that impact Bitcoin prices?
When the mood is optimistic, typically it drives prices up as fear of missing out kicks in.
Are there any external factors impacting Bitcoin's trajectory right now?
Yes, proposed changes in tax treatment for Bitcoin transactions could provide significant benefits.
What about competition from emerging cryptocurrencies?
Bitcoin will always be a leader, but new challengers are actively vying for market dominance.
What about future price predictions?
Ivan predicts Bitcoin could soar to at least $100,000 in the months ahead if current trends persist.
To wrap this up, what can viewers take away from Ivan's insights?
Patience is key. The upcoming weeks may present incredible opportunities for skilled investors.
Today, we'll explore the major breakout happening with Bitcoin and uncover some insights on the sluggish performance of Ethereum.
Absolutely. Bitcoin is really firing up. It's crossed that $70,000 threshold and things are about to get interesting.
So, what's at the core of this Bitcoin momentum?
Well, according to Lark, this isn't just a casual spike. Institutional interest is really fueling these price movements.
Interesting. And how does Ethereum fit into this narrative?
Ethereum seems to be falling out of favor for now. It's quite far from its highs compared to Bitcoin.
Let's drill down into Bitcoin's current state. Hitting $70,000 is quite a landmark, isn't it?
For sure, it signals a critical break above previous price resistance and traders are buzzing.
Lark highlights a stark contrast. While institutional investments flood in, retail interest seems flat.
Exactly. It appears we're in an institutional run, waiting for retail to catch on.
What about Ethereum? How's it faring in contrast to Bitcoin?
It's struggling, trading significantly lower and losing out to Bitcoin's momentum.
Can we expect Bitcoin to keep climbing?
Lark predicts that with ongoing institutional support, new record highs are likely.
So Lark's predictions indicate Bitcoin could reach new heights?
Yes, he anticipates a massive surge propelled by continued institutional buying.
And what about Ethereum's future? Any signs of recovery?
Eventually, Lark sees a rally, but it hinges on overcoming current resistance.
In summary, we need to keep our eyes on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Strategies are evolving.
Exactly. Riding the Bitcoin high while monitoring Ethereum's potential will be crucial for investors.
What an exciting discussion we had on the current state of cryptocurrencies.
Absolutely. From Lark's take on Bitcoin's remarkable surge past $70,000 to Ivan's bullish outlook on potential all-time highs.
And also Randnoiner's insights on the altcoin market were spot on. It looks like a significant shift may be on the horizon.
George Tung locked in his bullish sentiment as more institutional dollars flow into Bitcoin. It's really a compelling time for crypto enthusiasts.
Don't forget about BitBoy's take on ISO 2022 either. That's a game changer for the whole financial landscape.
Indeed. So much valuable information today. If you gained insights from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
It's the best way to stay informed as we break down more financial trends regularly.
Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to check out our other videos to continue your financial learning journey.